If Earth had rings like Saturn, it would be truly breathtaking, but it would also cause serious problems to our Earth and our world we know today. It would be brighter than the Milky Way, visible every single night, and so massive it would completely change life on our planet. But as beautiful as it looks, those rings could become one of the most dangerous things humanity has ever faced. If Earth suddenly had rings like Saturn, the world would stop, phones would come out, scientists would be speechless, social media would explode with videos of the glowing bands stretching across from one horizon to the other. At first, it would seem like the greatest sight in human history. Tourists would travel across the world just to see them, but nobody realized what's about to happen next. The hidden danger is Saturn rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of pieces in ice and rock. Some are tiny, others are the sizes of houses. If Earth had rings, those rocks would be racing around our planet at thousands of miles per hour, and that's a huge problem. Every rocket launch would become incredibly dangerous. Many satellites could be destroyed. GPS, weather forecasting, internet, even live TV broadcasts could begin failing. But that's still not the worst part. Earth would start completely changing. Depending on where the rings formed, they could cast enormous shadows across parts of Earth. Some places could receive less sunlight for months. Growing seasons can change, temperatures might drop, entire ecosystems would have to adapt. At night, darkness would almost disappear. Animals that rely on darkness to hunt or migrate could become confused. Even humans would struggle to adjust skies that never truly look the same again. But the final problem could threaten everything. The biggest threat is rings don't last forever. Over time, gravity slowly pulls pieces of the rings toward the planet. That means Earth could experience constant meteor showers. Most would burn up harmlessly, but larger chunks could survive the journey. Imagine rocks the size of cars, or even buildings, slamming into Earth more often than even before. Cities would need new defenses. Space travel would become far more difficult. The beautiful rings that were once amazed by humanity could become a permanent danger. Even though Earth is extremely unlikely to ever grow rings naturally, it's fascinating to imagine. Our planet would become the most beautiful world in the solar system. But beauty doesn't always mean safety. Sometimes the most incredible sights can hide the greatest dangers. So here's the final question. Would you want Earth to have rings, even if it made life much more dangerous? Let me know in the comments.